Somebody got the hiccups.
Keeping him awake at least.
I'll show you my tongue.
Okay, now you move your head.
Come on, move your head. You're in the hiccup, boy.
There's too much going on right now. They're too heavy.
Hmm.